how big it is.
Gosh, would you look at that thing?
Oh my god, it's smaller for you.
I think it's time, no?
It's time now for sure.
Good.
To harvest. It's time for you to harvest. Grab the one. And the one. Go, go, go.
Here we go. You want to hold
I'll
this
hold
one
this
for
one
me?
for
Thank
you.
Okay, here we go.
Do a clean cut. Man. Man. Oh my gosh, that's so big, Pangga. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello. That's so healthy. Another one. Another one. Another one.
Man, you did so good, my man.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so heavy na. It seems like 1 kilo na. You go there. You go there. I can use another one, really?
Take that one too.
Oh my gosh, it's so heavy na.
I think that's good.
There's more. Finish that one so that it can focus.
Worked. That one too.
That one. Yeah. No, grab that one na. I think.
Some more, no?
You think so? Yeah, I just grab it. It's getting yellow na. That side. Those are little. Yeah, just grab it. So that it can focus on the other little
I mean,
ones.
I understand, but if these aren't ready, then they're ready.
Just grab that one. And it's raining too.
So they can focus on these.
Hold it.
Those are pickles.
Oh my gosh! How heavy?
Look at this.
Oh my
It's
gosh!
huge.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's
Baby
huge!
brother, it's huge, my love.
Oh my gosh! Oh, happy, happy, happy! Look at that. Philippine. Let's pull ibugo. Oh my god. My basket can't even handle it.